So, good, happy Friday. I'm sorry. I'm laughing because I went to my leasing office. We have a new manager, so they were introducing her. So anyways, one of them were like, "Are you okay?" I guess I must have been breathing heavy. I mean, no, that's not the story I was going to tell. The story I was going to tell was they were talking about it being Friday. And I said, "Oh, I know, I'm so excited." I said, "I love American Ninja Warrior, and it comes on Fridays." And she said, "I'm just glad it's the weekend." And I thought, yeah, for people who have busy lives and work and do a Monday through Friday office job, I used to do that. So yes, I understand that when Friday hits, it's like it's the weekend. I can rest, I can get stuff done, I can relax, whatever. And I'm just sitting here thinking about, finally, I can watch American Ninja Warrior. That was funny. I know they were like, really? Is that all you have to do? Is that all you have to look forward to? But unless you know my life, you can't understand. Sitting in Walmart's parking lot for like 15 minutes, messing with my phone, which I shouldn't be because I forgot to put it on the charger, which means I'm going to need it all day today and it will die on me. Anyways, though, oh shoot, I got to go home and edit. So, I was sitting here, and I'm like, what am I waiting for? What do I need? I'm glad I stayed here, because I need to go in to see about getting my prescription filled.
Otherwise, please leave us a message, and someone will return your call on the next business day. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
Dang, they're not open. I mean, they're open, but they said they must be busy. Anyway, I was starving, haven't had breakfast, got me a sub from Subway. I'm going to pay for it. Oh, my nose. I'm going to pay for it because I was hungry and I got a little bit of everything on this thing. And not only that, I got one I shouldn't have got. I should have stuck with meatball. I was going to get a meatball. Look at this! Oh, my God, I'm starving. I bought some chips at the Dollar Tree, but I want to eat them with cream cheese. Oh my God! I'm so hungry. I still have to go to Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna eat. That was so tasty. I didn't eat it all. I didn't even eat half of it because the pepperoni was like this thick. So I just keep doing like this because the acids are bubbling up. Anyways, I'm going to go get the stuff for my juice, go home, edit the vlog, rest, and then probably come back out and pick up my prescription. Okay guys, I'm in. Oh my God, I'm tired. So the wind is a little brutal on my patio. It's really windy today, and look, it's like blowing everything everywhere. So strong that even though I stacked everything up like that, it's still trying to blow it away. Ooh. I'm about to lose my hair out here. Hopefully that will work. I hope that works. Oh my God, I wanted you guys to hear the wind. That wind is something else. I went to the grocery store. The cashier was telling me that a tree fell downtown and some of the people don't have power. It started a fire and some of the people don't have power. I hope it doesn't fall. I'm glad I'm not around a lot of trees here. They're like way over there. And it's just basically one. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm trying to edit for you guys, so I'm gonna get back to editing. Oh my God, I wish you guys could hear that wind. I keep forgetting to turn it on. Like I'm waiting for the tree, the one lone standing tree to fall over there. But it is like whipping. I keep hearing this boom, 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 so I'm hoping it's not my chairs tearing up my patio. I guess that's something I need to invest in, is a chain, because when I'm not home, if we have bad winds, I need to secure my patio furniture. It's a little nippy in here. My bone broth is done. I'm trying to strain it. I'm not going to use the cheesecloth. If it's a little chunky, it's going to have to just be down chunky. I didn't put a lot of small seasonings in it, so it should be good. But let me finish. This place is a mess. But let me finish. I got to finish straining it. Here's my liquid gold. Oh, shoot. I don't even know if I have room in my freezer. And I have to make juice. Ah. Ay, ay, ay. I have to think before I do things now. Look at my liquid gold, though. Guys, I don't worry about the grease on top, the oils. I don't worry about that. I don't skim it off. Because once you freeze it, it's a heck of a lot easier to just break it off. And it comes right out. I'm not going to stand there and skim fat off of liquid. Silly. It rises to the top anyways. Okay, let me rearrange my freezer again. I had to run out for a minute. Sitting here watching American Enjoyer on an antenna TV that's messing up tonight. But I love this show. I have to be watching it like this, skipping and jumping. I love it. Okay, I'm tired of eating junk, but I was hungry, and I am not cooking this late at night. So, I put this away. Whoops. That does not go in there. That goes in here. I'm still hungry. I have to put all that away. Let me see if it cooled down. I haven't even done my physical therapy exercises. It's cooled down, but not enough to put in the freezer. And I have no room in the fridge. I have no room. What if I can leave it sit out all night?